Welcome to Windows Guide. If the Wi-Fi option is not showing on your Windows 11 system tray, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to add the icon from the system tray settings. Click on the system tray to open the list of options. Click on the pencil-like symbol. Click on ADD. Select Wi-Fi from the list. Click on Done. The Wi-Fi symbol should appear now. The second solution is to enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on the application to open the Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right-click on the Realtek wireless adapter. If it is disabled, click on Enable Device. This should be helpful for most users. The third solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. Else let us know in the comment section.